My good people, I hope I find you well, believing you're having a splendid day. Right, just a quick update pertaining to an issue that has come out. I've had a lot of people call me wanting to know exactly what's happening. And media people, they want news. I just said, let me break it down. Let me break it out. I had to verify first before I spill out some beans or share information. I don't want to see myself getting in trouble for sharing information that can backfire. But it's all cleared, and I've heard that I've got the right to say it out. Right, pane nyaya iri kubuda Apostle Java. Nyaya Apostle Java iri very sensitive. Yes, yakabuda pane audio leak yakabuda which he is distancing himself from. We all understand that. I want to believe also Prophet Passion was once asked about it nevamwe vanhu vanongobvunza zvemedia, and he also distanced himself away from it. So none of them have anything to do with it according to what they said, which is okay. But as an IT specialist, regai nditaure ndichidai so. Pane program inonzi Blue. Amuioni kumaGoogle. It's not a program that's used by generals, by general personnel. I program inoshandiswa nevanhu veintelligence, especially in the third world. Handisati ndataura zvangu neMID yekuZimbabwe kuti ndinzwisise kuti vanayo here. But I want to believe vanayo. Kana vasina, definitely it's one that they need to get, especially with the world that we are living in. Obviously, everything is all about artificial intelligence. AI. So what happens? This program on the Blue. What Blue does, it's a program that reverses everything. It's a program that reverses everything that is produced and is served to the people. It converted in artificial intelligence. Just unokwanisa kurecorda voice rako, then run AI. Robuda a different voice. Zvokunokwanisa kutora voice romwe munhu woisa pamessage yako zvobuda zviri disguised. It's all good pane zvamunenge muchiita mese. But when it comes to sensitive issues, let me tell you, magovernment ekuno vanoshandisa inonzi Blue. Izvi ndiri kuzvitaura because ndapuwa mvumo yekuti ndizvitaura, ndanga ndaverify, saka musandityire zvenyu ipapo. Right, Blue inoreversa. So having said what I've said, all I'm saying now is, if ever anything pertaining that audio yakambobuda iya has got anything to do with characters dziri kumentionwa ipapo, handisi kuti vakazviita, but ndingopa word of advice. Kana kuri kuti vakazviita, this is my advice. Find ways and means of approaching and apologizing. There's got to be a way. But kana muri kuti hamuna kuzviita, fair and fine, all square, just leave it as it is. Program inonzi Blue reversa everything. I'm talking about what I know, and I'm talking about what I have used. Program inonzi Blue reverses anything that was created using AI. So ikaona kana iri original voice, inotokutaura this is original voice. Ukaramba vanokutora kugadzika paside nemicrophone wotaura the same foot. Iyo iripo inototaura kuti original voices match. I wish I would demonstrate it to you, but it's not a general program inongoshandiswa navanhu vese. So that I can only explain. Kana chinhu chiri kunzi chabuda chatorwa voice running raiswa kuAI, handiti kachobuda, let's say you've taken after my voice and then you say something and then you put my voice onto it through AI as if ndindataura, inotokutaurira even inotokutaurira kuti this is altered using the AI, artificial intelligence. But if it's original, inotokutaurira kuti this is original. It's just words for me to tell some people so that kana paine zvinenge zvanzi zviri kuitika, there's a way to clear yourself. Kana pari kunzi unenge wakaita zvabuda ipapo, obvious mistakes mamwe anenge akaitika, gara watogadzirawo kumbira regero, find ways to apologize so that the tensions don't go. Some of these issues, they don't need to be on public domain. If you say you didn't do anything, that's still fair and fine. Just say I didn't do anything. But if you say you did, then find a way to apologize. Ndaona makanfonera amakore muriraitire mushe zvakamira sei vatataura. makambotara nyaya yeprogram iya. That's when I realized, oh, ndakambozvitaura zvinhu izvi. So basically kana kuine zvakadai ndataura ndikati inini I don't want to be involved nyaya dzakadai so, but all I can do, I can simply advise. Inini ndine access to blue. Haizvo mungaite se I've got access to blue. Blue reverses everything. Blue keeps the security of governments. Kana musingazvizive, ndo basa rayo. As much as you are saved for you to use, imi muri ma-users, but there's also people that have got to defend. Otherwise, if they don't do that, a lot of things will be done. Vanhu vachizvidisguise. Governments have to be protected. So blue is the software that does that. Hamuigoogle mukaiwana, hazviite. Blue ndo software inoshandiswa kudetecta nekuidentifya the matching voices, whether it's original, whether it's tampered around with, whether it has been altered using AI. So basically that's all I had to say. So nyaya iri kunzi pari kuitwa ma-treats and charges zvakuda kuzobuda zvakaita sei zviya ndangoti ngotaura just this message. Where you stand, what you do with this information, I don't know. It's just my word of advice. Semunhu andingandoti zivei zvake aitimbi chana. Anditika ndakondikuudzai. Thank you and have a very good day. I'm out.